sodium phenoxide when heated with CO2 under pressure at 125 degrees Celsius yields a product which on acetylation produces C. The major product C would be. The reaction is given and the options are there. Now come to the solution of this question. As the question is given, this question is coming from Cole's reaction. It is known as Cole's reaction or Cole's Schmidt reaction. As the product is unknown, but the reactant is given the sodium phenoxide ion, that means in this the phenoxide ion is present. This is a very important thing about this question, is that the sodium phenoxide, and it is reacting with carbon dioxide. Now the first thing is the complete reaction, and then we will go for the mechanism of the reaction. The first thing about the reaction is, as it is reacted with the carbon dioxide, the temperature is 125 degrees Celsius and the 5 atmospheric pressure. The product which comes in this is OCOO and is attaching with this. But this is not the permanent, it is very unstable, because of which the reaction which goes is this one, which is the rearrangement actually. The rearrangement shifted to this position, because of which now the H plus ion from water molecule comes and it removes sodium ion, and ultimately the formation of salicylic acid occurs. This salicylic acid is the product B, which is given in the question. This is product B, which is given in the question. Now the next thing which comes, this will start from here. The reaction is from this one in the presence of H plus ion. What it do, it removes this H plus ion from here and it converted this into acetyl salicylic acid, which is also known as aspirin, which is very frequently used nowadays for the painkiller products or in any type of pain relieving things, but it is prohibited in the case of pregnancy also. This aspirin which comes is normally this is known as acetyl salicylic acid or aspirin. The whole process comes in this manner. The important thing which is coming in this is the delocalization of electron of the phenoxide ion, which is very, very important in this. So in the case of mechanism, what we will see how the phenoxide ion gives the reaction. From this Na is removed, that is Na plus ion. So ultimately this is the phenoxide ion and the resonance occurs. In the case of CO2, which is a double bonded molecule, the delocalization of electron occurs and again the negative charge comes, here the positive charge comes, which goes to attach with this. So ultimately the reaction which comes is double bond O and CO minus and double bond this. So ultimately this again removes, and because of this the ionic forms comes here. So again that section is taken here, that is OCOONA, which is again reacted with the goes to the rearrangement reaction and ultimately gives the salicylic acid, which on acetylation gives the complete product of acetyl salicylic acid. This is the small mechanism, but the delocalization of electron is very, very important, which we have to take concern. So this is the solution of this question. So answer is first one, that is acetyl salicylic acid, which is known as aspirin. For another question, see our next video.